Well, it's Monday at 1:30, 1:15. I was getting ready to go dirt digging with Denny. I got a call from a floral shop. Says, well, it's almost Valentine's and all my knives are dull. Can you fix them up for me? I said, sure. So I'm bound to some floral shop. Pick up their floral knives, or some of them anyway, and sharpen them. We'll see how that goes. Stand by. We'll see what they look like in a little bit. Man, look at the coal ships. I believe they've increased in number. Rough today. That's why I was planning to go dirt digging instead of ocean digging. Plus the tide's wrong, you know, I told you that already. But I got my buddy here. We're gonna get those knives. Damn, we got snow flurries here now. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not. But it's actually light snow flurries. God, they ain't supposed to happen until tomorrow. What's up with that? I must be in Michigan and don't know it. No, I'm not in Myrtle Beach by no means. I'm in a blizzard of snow. You ought to be able to see it against this background of this car here. See it? Solid blizzard. You can see it sticking on the windshield even a little bit. God. Well, me and old Jack have stumbled on a whole pile of floral knives. Most of them are chisel ground. There's DWF and Klaus and Victorinox and Huff. And one's a Chinese Henkel, but that's just a straight bladed knife. Kitchen knife they're using in a floral shop. We gotta head home and get to work. It's Valentine's time. Stand by. You ready, Big O Jack? We're gonna get out of here and go home. Big Jack says, okay. I got them all cleaned up. They're made by, like I said, a lot of different knives. Most of them are Klaus or Victorinox. But they're all chisel ground knives. Which means they only sharpen on one side. They got, you know, a beveled edge on one side like a Japanese style knife. Or like a chisel, basically. You know, that's what I mean. Just bevel on one side. 5 of them. Okay, stand by. Well, we're finished up. We got this one, that's that International Heckle. Ever sharp, I think is what it trades as. We got the first one, this is a Klaus chisel ground floral knife. Number 2 is a DWF. Chisel ground. Next, a Victorinox chisel ground. Next is another Klaus chisel ground. Nice knives. And the last one is another Klaus. Nice knives. I like them. See you tomorrow, someplace.